All right, we're here at the Surgery Center Vieira with our patient and Michael Jackson in the background. And we just finished a 2-level lumbar decompression, L3445, laminectomy, facetectomy, derotation of the spine, decompression of the nerves, and instrument infusion with interbody cages. 2 hours ago, he came out of the operating room. And where are you going now?
The hotel.
Going to the hotel. All right, very good. And how do you feel?
I feel very good.
How much pain are you having?
Just where the incision is just sore, but the rest of any, pain going down my legs, all that's gone.
So the pain down the legs is gone. How about the pain in your back that you had before surgery? Can you tell?
No, I can't tell right now.
All right, that's pretty
sure.
common. Patients can't tell. It takes a few weeks. So you're ready to go home, but we need to see something before you go home, don't we?
Oh my
You
God.
got the lyrics?
You guys better dance with me.
Go ahead. Come on now. Only at the Surgery Center Vieira in Florida and Deuk Spine Institute.